Breaking news, everyone. The Blum Airdrop listing price has just been exposed, and trust me, the numbers are more shocking than anyone could have predicted. But that's just the beginning. In this video, we're not only revealing the exact price predictions that could skyrocket your portfolio, but also discussing the potential listing date that could be just around the corner. Timing is everything, and if you play this right, Blum could be the next big crypto jackpot. Are you wondering whether to hold or sell immediately? Nervous about market dips or sell-offs? We've got all the insights you need to make the smartest move possible. So, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect from Blum's listing and how you can maximize your gains. Let's jump right in. Blum is gearing up to release its highly anticipated airdrop, and there's already a buzz of excitement across the entire crypto community. With strong backing, a dedicated user base, and a promising roadmap, Blum is quickly becoming one of the most talked about airdrops of the year. As of today's latest update, the snapshot date has been officially confirmed for insert latest date, meaning all eligible users will soon be able to claim their rewards. If you've qualified for the airdrop, make sure you're ready, because once the snapshot happens, the distribution of Blum tokens will follow shortly after. For those who are eligible, it's time to keep a close watch on your wallet. Blum tokens will be distributed automatically, so you won't need to take any action. Based on past experiences with airdrops, we've seen a quick turnaround from snapshot to distribution. In some cases, tokens were delivered within just a few days after the snapshot was taken. We're expecting a similar process for Blum, so if you're participating, don't let this opportunity slip by. Be ready, because this could be your chance to get in on the ground floor of something huge. Now, the burning question on everyone's mind: when will Blum officially be listed on major exchanges? Airdrops can create huge anticipation, and Blum is no exception. With its strong community backing and growing hype, it's only natural that traders are eagerly awaiting its debut on the open market. Although the official listing date hasn't been announced yet, we can make some educated predictions based on trends we've seen with other high-profile airdrops. Typically, airdrop tokens are listed within 2 to 4 weeks after the distribution, though this can vary depending on market conditions and exchange partnerships. Some tokens have even gone live as quickly as a few days after their airdrop, depending on the urgency of the project. Given the current buzz surrounding Blum, some analysts are predicting that we could see it listed as early as end of October, with listings on top exchanges potentially following in quick succession. This is no ordinary project. Blum has already teased partnerships with major platforms, and there are rumors swirling about upcoming listings on exchanges like Binance, which could further boost its visibility and speed up the process. But remember, the timing of the listing also depends heavily on market sentiment and ongoing negotiations with these exchanges. If conditions remain favorable, Blum could have a lightning-fast debut. However, as with any project, patience is key. Stay alert for official announcements from the Blum team, because once the listing happens, we could see some exciting movement in the market. Alright, now let's dive into the part everyone's waiting for, the potential listing price of Blum. Based on historical data from previous airdrops like insert comparable airdrops, we can anticipate a wide range for its initial listing price. Typically, airdrop tokens have seen debut prices between 5 cents and 50 cents depending on factors like token supply, community interest, and market demand. But here's the kicker: Blum has built up a huge amount of hype, and with the strong community backing it has, many experts are predicting a higher than average debut. Current estimates suggest we could see Blum start trading in the range of 15 cents to 30 cents. This is particularly noteworthy considering the token's total supply and market momentum. But that's just the starting point. Where things get really interesting is in the days immediately following the listing. If demand for Blum surges, as many analysts expect, it wouldn't be surprising to see the price jump significantly, possibly even doubling within the first week. On the other hand, there's always the chance of an initial sell-off from airdrop recipients looking to cash out quickly. This could cause a temporary dip in the price, but if Blum follows the path of other successful airdrops, it will likely stabilize and recover as long-term holders step in. However, it's important to remember that the long-term value of Blum will ultimately depend on its utility and roadmap beyond the airdrop. If Blum continues to develop strong partnerships and deliver on its promises, we could see sustained growth. This is why it's absolutely crucial to stay tuned for official updates from the Blum team. The token's potential doesn't end with its listing, its future will be shaped by what comes next. In order not to be disappointed as the likes of Hamster Kombat, I will advise you manage your expectations. When it comes to predicting Blum's trajectory, it's helpful to look back at other notable airdrops from the past year. Some past airdrops initially listed at around 10 cents but surged to 30 cents within just a few days due to overwhelming demand. Likewise, Dog saw a similar pattern, starting off with a lower than expected price but rebounding quickly as excitement built up post-listing. However, not all airdrops follow this ideal path. Let's take a closer look at Hamster Kombat, which many of you might be familiar with. When it first listed, expectations were high, but the token debuted below 10 cents. While this was lower than anticipated, it reflected market conditions at the time, and we saw a significant sell-off from early recipients. The price did eventually stabilize, but many early holders were left disappointed, especially those expecting a quick profit. So, what does this mean for Blum? While there's certainly a lot of optimism surrounding its launch, it's important to manage your expectations. Like with Hamster Kombat, the price might start lower than you hope, possibly even below 15 cents, especially if a large number of recipients decide to sell their tokens immediately. Even with strong hype, the market can be unpredictable, and initial dips are common as the token finds its true value over time. The key here is patience. If you're looking for quick profits, you need to be prepared for volatility in the first few days or even weeks. However, if Blum can leverage its community and execute on its roadmap, especially with potential partnerships, there's a good chance we could see long-term growth. Like other projects before it, the token's value will ultimately depend on its use case and how well the team delivers on future promises. So, while it's okay to be excited, make sure to keep a balanced perspective. Blum could very well have a bright future, but it's essential to be prepared for both initial volatility and the possibility that it may take time for the token's true potential to unfold. So, what's the best strategy for navigating the Blum token landscape? If you're aiming to maximize your gains, timing truly is everything. The period right after the listing can be quite volatile, so it's crucial to closely monitor market sentiment in those early days. Be prepared for potential price swings as traders react to the initial launch, which can create both opportunities and risks. This is where you need to decide if you're in for the short term or if you believe in Blum's long-term potential. If you're considering selling some or all of your tokens, look for trends in buying and selling volumes. A surge in buying pressure could indicate rising interest and potentially higher prices, while significant selling could point to a lack of confidence in the token. This is why it's essential to keep your ear to the ground and stay informed. Be wary of FOMO, fear of missing out, as prices rise, but also remain cautious if you notice strong sell-offs that could lead to a downturn. Whether you decide to hold onto your Blum tokens or cash in on some profits, it's vital to set realistic expectations. Remember, not every airdrop leads to immediate financial gain, and markets can shift unexpectedly. By keeping an eye on Blum's official channels, you can stay updated on any critical developments, partnerships, or announcements that might influence the token's value. The team behind Blum will likely share insights that can help you make informed decisions. As always, I'll be here to keep you in the loop with the latest updates and analysis as new details emerge. So, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. This way, you won't miss out on any important news that could impact your investment strategy. Stay tuned and let's navigate this exciting journey together. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights on Blum and other upcoming projects. Let me know in the comments what you think Blum's price will be, and if you're excited about the airdrop. Until next time, happy trading.